What's it like working at MERRILL? We asked our team.
Every week's different. It's very rarely the same thing over and over.
When you take a solid block of steel, anything, any type of material, and turn it into a part that goes on airplane, any type of military equipment, it's awesome being able to knowing that you're making that type of stuff here.
There aren't many shops that do the type of stuff we do, and especially in this area. So that's very unique.
We do have awesome on-the-job training here. If you wanted to hire in just as a general laborer like I did, you can work your way up.
I worked with a lot of people for the last 10 years and they become more like friends than they do coworkers, so that's pretty rewarding to come to a place to work like that.
Join the MERRILL team and work for a dynamic company that provides innovative solutions to America's most critical industries. Apply today at merrilltg.com.